Hello, my name is Russ Merrick. I'd like to welcome you to the manufacturing facility of Merrick Machine Company located here in Alvin, Nebraska. Today what we have for you is a 1278. It's one of our newer machines. It goes along with our 928 interior high production door line machinery. Generally you're going to have a loader, 928. We have a sizing table that tells this machine exactly what's coming down line so we can automatically size for it. 1278, you're actually going to take your jambs, put them in place, put your header on, it's going to staple them up, whether it's left, right, and do all this automatic, run it right on through. You can also do up to 8-foot doors. Okay? What we have for you, I'll go through this real quick. We actually have a series of stops on both sides that, there's two little levers down here to break it. You actually pull these two assemblies back, put them against the stop, lock the levers in place, now you're ready to do 8-foot doors. In this case, we're under a standard 6/8 door. We're going to ride on through. Specs are going to come through. Off the sizing package, we have an arm that indicates what it is, tells the machine, rolls on board across these white and gray rollers. Alright, comes into place, lowers itself down. We put the jambs where they belong, and nail guns actually come up once it's all clamped, index up, and cycle and shoot through the jamb into the head. Okay? On the back side of the machine, we have the option of actually shooting through the jamb into the face plate, or you can actually go ahead and install one of our triad lock straps, and I'll go through that with you also. Okay guys, go ahead and start running. Actually run the machine. Put it in place. See how outside, it automatically moves on its own. Everything into place, I'll walk out his head and move. He puts the head in. Puts the jamb on the other side. Locks it in place, hits the button. Real simple, it comes in and clamps. Clips in the end. This is easy for most of the stops on this end actually push the both jambs and the head right up against it. In this case, for the lock strap, you put it through the strike hole, basically the lock hole, through the strike hole, staple it on the back side of the jamb. Real simple. You can use a handgun, you can use a pneumatic nail gun. It's all said and done. Lock strap's in place. Machine's all set, he's going to take it off. Again, what's going to be down line here is preferably another piece of roller conveyor. And out of the 1278 uses the buffer zone. It's going to go onto your assembly tables where you're going to do your packaging, putting your labels on, your cores, and so forth. Grab this next door. You'll notice he actually takes the jamb, and jamb isn't rolled over like in most applications or previously in our equipment. Regardless of the screws are 5/8 or 3/4 sticking through, you don't have to worry about marring the door, which is actually quite nice. You have a series of stops for the pneumatic nail gun to indicate where do you want the staples placed. You have shaft collars on here, sensor that actually reads it. So if you want to change the one thing about the lock strap, you got a little tab right here, hopefully we can show that. You want to keep your reveal. That tab actually goes between the door and the jamb and it maintains your reveal. The advantage of the lock strap is actually for the end user, contractors out in the field. You can install a door, put it in place, shim it. Once the door's in place, cut the strap, the parts fall out, and it's ready to go. You don't have to pull it out in advance. Or, oh, I forgot to pull the nail out, now you have to pull the whole assembly back out, the entire door. No. All you have to do is cut it with a knife and it's done. Some of the other products out on the market, you still have to remove it. Your lock mechanism in advance is not a good deal. Once again, you can do right and left hand doors. You've got two guns on the opposite sides to do that. You've got main air. We're looking for 110 psi on this machine. Emergency stop, door width in and out. You can run this in manual, semi-automatic, and automatic mode. You're just fine. Each machine we tried has a quick disconnect on it, transformer if required. That's standard for us. You don't have to. But we actually came in and release it for a second, push the jambs back up, make sure they're tight against the head. Everything stays nice and square when we put it in. Works out really well. Guy can take the door, put it on his assembly table, and away you go. Some of the other neat features, we have a scale system on the side here. If you're going to adjust things, you want a tighter quarter. Let's say your jambs are taller. You want to do 6-inch jam, you want to do 7-inch jam, you want to get a little bit bigger. You've got black knobs, one at each of the 4 corners, okay? All you have to do is adjust it up and down, and there's a scale on the side to tell you how far you need to advance it down. Also, for instance, you have a room for your 928. You have some other old machines, you don't have a sizing package, you can actually manually adjust this, and there's a big white reader scale on the main frame down here, and you can run the controls from the operator's side over there and run it in and out by hand. Okay? Run on the rack and pinion system. There's an electric motor with a torque limiter underneath. You're actually coming in squeezing. You drive a nail through the jam into the door, takes the door right off. Works really well. If you're doing bigger doors, say you're doing an 8-foot door, 2 pneumatic nail guns, if you're not going to be using the lock strap with door clip that's available on the market, there's a series of stops over here and they're color coded. You want to do a 6, 8, 7-foot, 8-foot door, this whole assembly just slides and moves down. You just pick the series of stops you want it to move to. Once again, the color coded, it's quick, it's fast, it's real easy.